Welcome to the WooCommerce to Shopify Migration App. This tool helps you migrate your products, customers, orders, and more from WooCommerce to Shopify with just a few steps. In this video, we'll cover installing the app, connecting your store, configuring settings, importing data, syncing products, and how to re-import when needed. To begin, install the app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you can pin the app to your sidebar so it's easier to find later. After opening the app, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see quick links to each feature, setup guidance, and useful stats to help you monitor performance. To connect your WooCommerce store, enter your WooCommerce domain, API key, and secret key. At the top of the settings page, you'll see a guide link to download our WooCommerce connector plugin. Install and activate this plugin on your WordPress site. The plugin will generate the API credentials for you. Copy the domain, key, and secret, paste them into the app fields, and click Save. If everything is correct, the app will confirm the connection and unlock the Settings tabs. Now that your stores are connected, let's take a look at the settings. Each section lets you control how data is imported. In Product Settings, you can configure product types, categories, SKUs, attributes, and meta fields. In Order Settings, you can filter by creation or completion date, choose which statuses to import, and map WooCommerce statuses to Shopify's financial and fulfillment statuses. The Customer Import tab allows you to filter by roles and choose whether to import only customers with purchases. You'll also find tabs for coupons, pages, posts, and categories, each with their own filters so you can bring over only the data you need. When you're ready to migrate, go to the Import Data tab. You'll see a list of data types: products, customers, orders, coupons, pages, and so on. Check the boxes next to the types of data you want to import, or use the top checkbox to select everything at once. Click Import to begin. The import runs in the background, so you don't need to keep the page open. You can track progress with the status bar, and when it's done, open the log to review details of the migration. With Product Sync, updates run automatically in the background. There's no manual sync button. The only way to keep your Shopify products up to date is by setting a cron schedule. At the interval you choose, the app checks WooCommerce and updates details like title, price, or inventory in Shopify, so your catalog always matches. If you leave the status filter empty, all products will be included. Sometimes you may need to run the migration again. That's where reset data comes in. This clears the record of imported item IDs. After resetting, the app won't remember what's already been migrated. So if you import again without deleting old items in Shopify, you could end up with duplicates. To avoid this, always delete the previously imported items in Shopify before re-importing after a reset.